Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Ahmad Aziz bin Azri. My matric number is 22DAQ 1AF 1061.
My name Muhammad Adam bin Mukiji. Matric number 1034.
So my name is Nur Zatir Akmal binti Zamani. My matric number 1040.
Now I want to share with you the introduction of my mini project. This mini project aims to review and find out the usefulness of coverage among Polytechnic Jeli Kelantan student.
Definition of key term. The quality of coverage to provide in Polytechnic Jeli. Coverage. The geographical area covered by the network of service provider within this area. The phone will be able to complete call using the carrier network or the partner network.
The objective is to define the student particularly use effective coverage to find another information and improve effective coverage to student particularly so student can do their homework.
I will explain the respondent for this mini project and sample questions for data collection to students at Polytechnic Jeli Kelantan. The data for this mini project is collected by using Google Form. The amount of student Polytechnic Jeli are collected by amount 16 students. The first question we ask for is what is the fastest coverage in Polytechnic Jeli? Next, what the coverage you use in Polytechnic Jeli? Next, how much you spend on your credit in a month? The fourth question is which coverage do you prefer for daily use? And the last question is what subscription you always use?
Finding the most coverage in Polytechnic Jeli is Celcom, and the preferred daily using is Celcom and Tuntop.
I want to share with you what is the fastest coverage in Polytechnic Jeli Kelantan. Okay, that is the result. Okay, what is the fastest coverage in Polytechnic Jeli? Oh, the highest is Celcom with 60.7%. Okay. The second place is Tuntop with 34.4%. Okay. That is a smart TV. And the third place is U-Mobile with 14.8%. Okay. And then we have Maxis with 9.8%. Yeah. Okay. And lastly the others with 3.3%. Thank you very much.
Circle coverage is calculation the amount because the amount can give the data internet always can use another information and about this for students spend money on coverage. This is how much student spend money is 30 and 50.
Conclusion based on our review of mini project which is coverage. We found that student reps agree with our mini project, but some students also disagree with our mini project with some reason. We suggest that our mini project can be further developed in the future. Thank you.